I'm pretty sure I might rush the introduction because I'm working on a new video. Anyways, this is our YT, and today I'm gonna be reacting to SE Shorts Ocean Tram. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Oh yeah, it's made by Sammy Clark.
Ocean Tram.
Ocean Tram.
It was yet again another beautiful generic day on the island of Sodor, and Toby the tram engine was just waking up from a good night rest when suddenly Harold the helicopter flew by. He had some special news for Toby.
Good morning there, Toby. Good morning to you too, Harold. What are you doing here at my shed so early in the morning? I came here because I have some splendid news for you, Toby. Remember that dam on your branch line that collapsed due to a flood causing the river to rise so high that the old bridge that you were crossing started to break apart and you started to float down towards a waterfall, but me and Percy saved you, and then a few weeks later the dam was repaired but was closed about 4 years later? Yes. Well, guess what? What? Sir Topham had is reopening the dam tomorrow. Oh, wowzers! And he also wants you to be the engine to take him there for the reopening. I would take him there myself, but I'm too busy with Chug Patrol. And when you're in Chug Patrol, you've got to be ready to roll. Chug Patrol? Don't you mean the Sodor Search and Rescue Center? Oh, right. Yeah, that's right.
That's right, the rails, boy.
Anyways, I can't wait for the reopening of the dam tomorrow. I'm gonna go and tell Percy about this. I wonder if he'll join me. Oh, yeah, about that, Toby. Percy won't be joining you tomorrow at the reopening because he, Thomas, and James are on a vacation trip at the moment, and they won't be back in time for the reopening.
Are they in China or the mainland?
But I shouldn't let it get to me. I'll tell them about the reopening when they get back. If they ever get back, that is. Pardon me, Harold? Squadala! Huh.
Squally balloon. Why did I do that?
The next day was the reopening of the dam, and Toby was very excited. Just then, Sir Tom had arrived on board Winston.
I can see
Winston is dying from exhaustion.
Want to get tough with me, boy?
No, sir, sorry, sir.
That's what I thought.
Early days, sir. Early days.
You shut your freaking mouth, Winston, or else I'll stab your eyes out with pencils. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Toby. Are you ready for the reopening of the dam? As ready as I'll ever be, sir. Excellent. Wait a minute. Coach. Sir, I'm afraid I don't have Henrietta at the moment. Do you think you can wait here as I go and fetch her real quick? No, that's all right, Toby. I'll just run your cab instead. Besides, the courier doesn't even have any Henrietta merchandise. Oh, right, he doesn't. All right, then, Toby. Full steam ahead. Full steam ahead, sir.
Yes, that's my line. Also, that's one slot.
Wait! What about me? Don't worry, Winston. I've sent someone to come and pick you up. Oh.
Slot tot reference. So does the Lost Treasure.
I wonder how long I have to express.
So Tom has about the job.
While we're riding along.
I'm sorry.
No, that's good, Toby. I'm fine. Thanks, so. Oh.
He got the COVID.
Well, I do suppose it is kind of quiet here at the moment. Exacto, sir. What we need is a song to help pass the time. Oh no, Toby, that's fine. You really do. Oh, Christ. Ocean Tram, take me by the dam, lead me to the land that you understand. Ocean Tram, the voice to the corner of Sodor is a real trip. Ocean Tram, the skin of a fat man. Boy! sequence of a life-form embrace in the sand, soaking up the thirst of the land. Ocean Tram. Ocean Tram.
Is this the 70s or am I dreaming?
Ocean Tram. Take me back. You finished yet, Toby? No. Why, sir? Because we've arrived at the dam. Oh,
They teleported.
wowzers. This dam hasn't changed a bit since the last time I was here.
It's just boxes.
Yeah, sure. Say, where is everyone, sir? Don't know. Asked like 20 or so people if they'd like to come to the reopening of the dam, and they all said yes. So, I'm not sure where they are at the moment. Maybe I did need a coach after all. Oh crap. Sir? What on earth is that sound that isn't visible to us at the moment? I'm not sure, Toby. It sounds like the dam. It's collapsing. Oh, heck no. See you, sucker. I'm out. This episode is not sponsored by Adidas. Oh, phooey.
Ocean Tram. Looks like Toby literally did beat Ocean Tram after all.
Oh, my legs! My legs! Oh, trembling tracks! Are you alright, sir?
Looks like the people
I
that
don't
didn't
know,
came have a
Toby.
gut feeling that
Oh,
this was
me.
about to happen.
Oh, my! Oh, God! Sir, what's the matter? Can't you see it, Toby? We're lost at sea! Oh. Well, it could be worse, sir. We could be dead right now.
Wait, what?
Swept away by the water. I just don't understand. How on earth did the dam collapse in the first place? We were the only ones on it, and we don't even weigh that much. Well, what? Never mind. Anyway, so what are we going to do to find help, sir? I don't know, Toby. I just don't know. I guess we'll just have to wait for Harold or somebody to find us till we reach shore.
Or maybe a cruise
For
ship.
a while then.
No, that's a bad idea.
Well, I'm sure help will find us soon, sir. Just you wait. I know it.
They will dead run. Trains can't eat, so trains can't eat. So Toby's definitely gonna survive this one.
But I'm sure it will soon, sir. I bloody hope so. I'm starving. Well, no offense, sir, but I think it might be better for you if you do starve.
Wait, what?
Excuse me? Well, I mean, you get to burn off some of that fat if you starve. Toby, I am so close to slapping you silly right now. Well, I'm too tired to, so I won't. Oh.
They thought.
You still alive there, sir? I think so. What time is it? Not sure because I don't have a watch, but probably sometime in the morning because the sun came up about a few hours ago. Oh my god, I'm going to starve to death out here. And
You
I'm
can just drink the
thirsty
salt
now, too.
water, but that's
Well,
also
sir,
a
I
bad
can't make
idea,
you
so
off a
don't do
starving
it.
bit, but if you're thirsty, why don't you try and drink the ocean water?
What? I just said that.
Good idea. Thanks, Toby. Huh. Salty.
I wonder what that means. Salty, yeah.
Oh, whatever.
wait, isn't there a day 5, a day 4? We just literally. Oh, time the. Oh yeah, I forgot the time. Day 5, day 5. So technically, day 5.
I'm not sure, sir. God, I'm wrong. I know what can help pass the time, sir. What? Anything, what? A song sung by me. Oh, no, Toby. Please don't. Ain't nothing gonna break my stride. Nobody gonna slow me. Oh.
I thought he's gonna sing his own version of All Star. Day 9.
Ain't nothing gonna break my stride.
Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give you. Never gonna let you die. Dang it.
Alright, Toby, you can stop now. Oh, sorry, sir. I didn't realize how long
Are
I
they
was
heading
taking
for America?
It's not your fault, Toby. It's just that I'm so stressed out at the moment, you know? We've been stranded out here at sea for probably over a week now, and no one still hasn't found us yet. Yeah, I know. It's pretty stressful for me, too. Will we ever get back to Soda again, Toby? What if
Oh
we're stranded
no,
out here
probably
forever?
because you're literally heading straight for America, or probably anywhere else in the world. Probably Japan, North Korea, or probably even Antarctica.
I don't know, sir. I just don't know.
Day 12. They're gonna die!
Sir, wake up! What is it, Toby? Look! It's land! Well, holla freaking Luya! We're going to be okay! Yeah! Oh, I can't wait to kiss surface land! Huh? What? No! We were so close!
Oh
Come
man.
on, sir. We're gonna
Guess
have
they
to
really
jump
are
to
gonna
this
turn
land.
to North
I
Korea
don't know
then.
if we're able to, Toby. It's just too risky. Sir, this is our one-way ticket out of here. There's also some times in life where you need to take risks and start
What? Flying!
Toby.
So you're telling me that tramps can't fly?
You ready now, sir? Yes, Toby. I am. All right, then let's do this. Get in my cab. Living like Toby.
Tobias goes Tobias. Ah! Ah!
Well, I tried, sir. No, we were so close. I should have known that my saying living like Toby wouldn't work. It happened to another boxy friend of mine. Except I don't think he used my name when saying living like whomever.
They went to China?
Huh?
Stop.
How did you three end up here?
We don't want to talk about it.
Huh.
Whoa! It was all a dream?
Oh, it was just a dream. Oh, thank God.
That was no dream, buddy.
Huh? Oh, Thomas. If it wasn't a dream, then what happened?
Don't ask me. I don't know what happened.
I do, though. Oh, well.
Oh,
what
never mind, it
happened,
wasn't.
sir? Well, after we saw Thing 1, Thing 2, and Percy, we all got knocked out by a huge wave. Luckily, Captain was sailing close by and called for help. We were later recovered by 2 ships and a half. Turns out we were near the Soda Search and Rescue Center. Oh,
What?
so what now? I don't know. This episode was just a little filler. I hate it. End it already, Sam. Okay.
Now this was a huge that was one huge plot twist. Like I thought they literally sailing to North Korea or China, but it turns out they were literally at the Solar Search and Rescue Center the entire time. They have been stuck. They have been sailing near the Solar Search and Rescue Center for almost stored links, yet they have never been found.
Yeah, that's right. I'm related to SpongeBob. Bet you didn't know that, did you?
Wouldn't it make more sense for me to be
Kevin?
related to SpongeBob? I mean, we're both yellow, I'm somewhat boxy, and we both have freckles.
God, it hurts to be this hit.
This is a good episode. But I had to get going. See you guys tomorrow, I think. Ah!